Hi Virgo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your week 1 forecast for October 2015. Virgos, it's quite a lovely week. For the first 8 days we have Venus, and she is there in a part of your chart that is behind the scenes. It's about spirituality. It is also about healing. So use these first 8 days to serve. For those of you who have been thinking of getting associated with NGOs or with charities, it's a great time to be doing so. This is also known as the house of undoing, and Venus coming over there, it can be that maybe a clandestine affair gets highlighted. Maybe you're drawn towards a clandestine affair and you are either justifying it or you're romanticizing it too much, and you're just sort of seeking a justification in it, and it may come to light during this time. Now Venus has unusually been here for a long period of time because Venus was also retrograde last month. However, for the first 8 days Venus is direct before she moves into another part of your house. So use these first days to not just serve but also to meditate. It's a great time to maybe go to a retreat, try some yoga, or do some detoxification, look at alternate ways of medication. Maybe for those of you who for the longest have been wanting to take a kind of maybe a pilgrim, you've been wanting to just go off for 10 days maybe to a Vipassana camp, or you've been just wanting to go off to a retreat and do some meditation. This is a lovely time. The first 8 days are really nice to be in touch with your higher self. It's also a great time for those of you who have been trying to because this is the house again which has to do with behind the scenes, things which are not really up on the surface. They're really there in your deep psyche. It can be that certain stuff gets triggered and it comes up for cleaning. So it's a good time to be looking at stuff, maybe things that have been bothering you for the longest of time. It's really called spring cleaning of the psyche. So it can be that certain skeletons come out of the closet and some things that need to be addressed right now. Venus energy is there, so that's a nice thing because Venus tends to be very soft around it. So there's nothing really it's nothing unpleasant, though you are dealing with something which is really deep and intense, but with the Venus energy you will be able to sort of look at things with a very forgiving, with a very gentle eye. And also for your own self, it's a great time for self-healing as well. So have a brilliant first 8 days with Venus being there, Virgos. I'll see you again next week, and thank you so much for watching.